Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see a latest update in WhatsApp. It's a fingerprint lock. It was a latest update. Now let's see how to do it. Before going to do it, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more technical update. I'm going to click WhatsApp. You can see in WhatsApp there is no fingerprint right now for me. I'm clicking this 3 tab icon and go to settings, and here you can see the account setting is there. Click the account settings, and first one, privacy, is there. Click it and slightly scroll down. You can see now the fingerprint lock is there. It was the latest update. It was disabled right now, so I am clicking. You can show like this: unlock with fingerprint. When enable, you will need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer call if WhatsApp is locked. Is that? Before going to do is, you want to fingerprint the phone itself. I am clicking this one. It asks touch the fingerprint sensor. Right now I'm touching fingerprint. Yes. After touching, it will click OK. Then it has 3 options: immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. I am clicking immediately. Then I am go back. Okay, now I'm clicking WhatsApp right now. Yes, you can see now it asking the touch the fingerprint sensor. Now I'm touching this. Yes, it's going. It was one of the best update in WhatsApp, and it was used for security purpose. So this is how to enable this one. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.